So I actually stopped by to clean up the shop a little bit. Then I thought to myself, I have wood here. I think I'm going to build a little, what I call a garden planter out of my scraps. Everybody's always looking for something to do with their scraps, so this is a springtime cute little idea. So let's just see how fast I can get one done without screwing things up too bad. Like that angle. Any more scrap wood? That one looks too pretty. That one looks alright. Same size. Of course. This is just as a quick how-to. I'm not worried about sanding it or anything else like that. I'm probably not even gonna worry about selling it. Probably just take it home and use it. It can be a garden planter, it can be a bird feeder, squirrel feeder if you're into squirrels. But with the natural barn look without the paint on there, and even with the paint on there, I hit with the sander. But the natural barn weathered look, I guess is what I'm trying to say. In the fall time, you put some nice fall colors in here. Little mum starters or anything like the orange and the yellows off that barnwood, natural barnwood look. It really pops. I would definitely recommend it. Doesn't really matter to me. Nothing matters. So you're getting the idea, aren't you? It's just a box. Oh, look at there. Had a blowout right there. That's why I have these. Get in there, dig it out. Helps if you dig out the right side. I find the best way to do that is to grab it, pinch it away from the wood, pinch it with your side cutters, and snip it off. And it's something that no one's ever going to touch or get their hands on, and just kind of tap it back in with something I can tap it back in. Now if I wanted to, I'd go ahead and put an angle bevel cut on this. Pretty simple, but I don't. Yes, I'm making a rip saw on my rip cut on my trap saw. Time for a new blade anyway. Everything's due for an upgrade. I like to put the rough edge up there, make sure it looks like it's weathered more. You can, if you really want to try. Shoot. Alright, so that's pretty much the concept of it. You can throw holes in it if you want it to drain. You put a little bit of chat if you want. Plant your plant right in there, or you can go ahead and just keep it in the little planter container. It already comes with the plant. Just stick in there, let it blow out. Hang them on the wall wherever you want. And then of course you can doll them up however you want. I don't want to create a bunch of sawdust up here tonight. I have a 50-50 chance. And there you have it. Springtime, go plant something. Now, we got some gardening work to do.